Have you ever imagined a plane vanishing in the sky? Or a vehicle taking you from New York to Tokyo in an hour? 90% of people don't know these technologies already exist. In this video, we'll unveil 10 mind-blowing inventions in aviation that will forever change your concept of travel. Get ready to see the impossible become reality before your eyes. In 2019, Brazilian aerospace company Embraer celebrated its 50th birthday. But instead of just receiving congratulations, the company decided to share its fascinating vision of the future. Imagine with me how travel might look in 50 years. According to Embraer, we'll be moving around in special capsules that resemble magical bubbles. These capsules will allow us to transfer from aircraft to car and back without leaving them. It's like a Transformer toy, but in the world of transportation. To make journeys more thrilling, these capsules will be completely transparent, made of smart glass. Perhaps aluminum oxide nitride, a transparent and strong material, will become more common in the future. Imagine a material that can withstand temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Celsius and is 4 times stronger than regular glass. Of course, these capsules won't be boring at all. They'll offer plenty of entertainment and work options. Maybe you can watch a movie while flying over the ocean. Are you excited to try these magical capsules? Share your comments. Would you prefer flying in a transparent bubble, or do you like the mystery? While Embraer looks to the distant future, other companies are working on bringing personal aviation to reality much sooner. What an exciting adventure in the world of aviation! Australia's FlyNow is steps ahead of everyone. While others are talking about future transportation, this company is gearing up to launch a futuristic vehicle into the skies in just 2 years. Are you ready? If everything goes as planned, we'll see the production of their eCopter vehicles starting from 2026. Imagine with me, electric vehicles that look like a mix between a helicopter and a drone. It's a technological masterpiece in every sense of the word. Let's talk about its impressive specs. It can accelerate up to 130 kilometers per hour, definitely faster than your car, travel 50 kilometers on a single charge, and carry a load of up to 200 kilograms. Can you picture yourself flying in one of these? The most obvious use for this vehicle is as an air taxi, especially with models available for 2 passengers and others for cargo. Even better, the cost of a flight will be similar to a car trip. Does this mean the end of traffic jams? Will we say goodbye to long hours of waiting in the streets? If you think the eCopter is exciting, what another Australian company is working on might astound you. While we're talking about flying taxis, another Australian company is leaping to a whole new level. Alauda Aeronautics is working on a project bolder than science fiction itself. Imagine with me a supercar that flies and runs on hydrogen. Yes, you're reading that right. As if that's not enough, they're already on their 4th version called the Airspeeder Mk4. Are you ready to hear its amazing specs? It's said to reach speeds of 360 kilometers per hour, faster than most commercial planes, and can fly 300 kilometers on a single refuel. As if by magic, the AI gimbaled thrust system helps racers with maneuvers, making piloting as easy as driving a Formula One car. It's no coincidence that the Airspeeder Mk4 feels like you're in a Formula One race. But in the sky, it looks stunning by all measures. And with partners like Intel and DHL on board, there's good reason to feel confident. We can only wish the team at Alauda Aeronautics all the best. Who knows? Maybe in the near future, we'll be watching flying car races instead of football matches. Are you ready to try driving a flying race car, or do you prefer to stay on the ground? Let's talk about the American company Jetoptera that's turning science fiction into reality. At first glance, you might think it's just an ordinary airplane. But wait. What if we told you it can reach speeds of 900 kilometers per hour? Yes, faster than a Boeing Dreamliner. Can you believe that? But that's not all. Imagine with me, engines so advanced that they can take off and land vertically and without blades. How is that possible? Well, it's engineering magic. Compressed air passes through slits, creating low-pressure vortices that generate thrust. The result? 10% more thrust than a traditional turbojet, and 50% less fuel consumption. Is this madness or what? It's no surprise that Jetoptera has a contract with the US Air Force. They confidently claim that their aircraft's range will be 3 times that of their competitors, and its payload twice what competitors can carry. Are we on the brink of a revolution in aviation? Do you think it will change the future of air travel? Share your opinions and bold predictions. Let's dream together about the future of aviation. If high speed impresses you, what the following Canadian company offers might particularly catch your attention. Did you know that Canada is the 2nd largest country in the world? So, this innovation from local company Horizon Aircraft will surely be incredibly useful. Let's discover this engineering masterpiece. Imagine with me, an aircraft that combines the best of drones and light aircraft. It's the Cavorite X5, and it's not just an ordinary aircraft, it's a revolution in the world of aviation. Are you ready to hear its amazing specifications? Thanks to its 16 propellers, yes, 16, the pilot can maneuver at extremely low altitudes and hover over targets. As if that's not enough, it can reach speeds of 450 kilometers per hour. Can you imagine yourselves flying at this speed? But wait, there's more. It can carry up to 7 people, including the pilot. Are you thinking about an aerial family trip? As if by magic, this aircraft uses hybrid power from electricity and gasoline, giving it a range of up to 800 kilometers. Is this madness or what? Now, the good news. Small-scale production of the Cavorite X5 is planned for around 2027. Are you excited to see it flying in the skies of your cities? Do you think this aircraft will change the face of travel in Canada and around the world? As personal aviation technology evolves, we can't ignore the massive investments that major car companies are making in this field. The Japanese giant Toyota has invested $500 million in Joby Aviation. Are you wondering what makes the Japanese company so confident in this investment? Let's discover the secret. Joby Aviation is an American company focusing on air taxis. Yes, you heard right. A taxi that flies in the sky. It's like a scene from a science fiction movie, isn't it? But wait, there's more. It's said that Toyota's investment will help Joby Aviation get certification from the US Federal Aviation Administration. Do you know what this means? It means we might see these flying taxis in our skies soon. Now, let's talk about the exciting details. Joby Aviation's engineers are offering another electric VTOL aircraft. Are you ready to hear the amazing specifications of the S4 version? Imagine with me. It can carry 5 people, including the pilot, at speeds of up to 322 kilometers per hour. As if that's not enough, its range is 249 kilometers. Are you thinking about a short trip between cities? Now, the good news, commercial flights are expected to start in 2025. Are you excited to try this unique experience? But wait, there's more. The hydrogen electric version successfully flew 842 kilometers during tests in June. Do you think these flying taxis will change the face of transportation in cities? Would you choose them for your next trips? But what about those who dream of owning their own time machine? Have you heard what the American team at Leo Flight is saying? We've built you a time machine. Can you believe it? Well, it may not be exactly what sci-fi fans might expect, but it's undoubtedly a revolution in the world of transportation. Imagine, with me, instead of spending hours on your usual route, the journey will take just 30 minutes. Are you thinking about all the extra time you'll have? It's a bold claim, isn't it? But wait, there's more. According to their plan, production is set to start in just 3 years, and tests are already underway. Are you excited to know what buyers can expect? Let's talk about the exciting details. Imagine a flying car the size of a regular car, fitting a pilot and 2 passengers. Are you thinking about an aerial family trip? As if that's not enough, it will take off and land vertically. Is this madness or what? Now, the amazing specifications, a range of up to 402 kilometers and a cruising speed of 322 kilometers per hour. Can you imagine yourselves flying at this speed? But wait, there's more. It runs on electricity, making it environmentally friendly too. Are you ready to join the green transportation revolution? Now, the big question, how much will this technological marvel cost? Well, you'll need around $290,000 to get one. Do you think the price is worth the experience? Have you heard about the American team at Lift Aircraft? They've made quite a splash. Imagine, they've raised over $22 million for their innovative project. Are you ready to discover this engineering marvel? Let's talk about this amazing aircraft. It's an electric multicopter with 18 rotors. Yes, 18. It might look complicated, but Lift Aircraft believes it can be used by a wide range of people. Can you imagine yourself piloting one of these? Now, let's explore its exciting features. Do you love water? Well, this aircraft can land on water with ease. As if that's not enough, it comes with an autopilot feature. Are you worried about the complexities of a flight license? Don't worry. You don't need a flight license in the United States to fly it. Are you ready for more excitement? You can spend about 15 minutes in the air. And if you're a beginner, don't worry. There's a beginner mode that limits the speed to 72 kilometers per hour. Do you think this speed is enough to enjoy the views from above? But wait, there's more. What about voice control? Yes, you can issue commands like, go up to 152 meters. Can you imagine yourself talking to your aircraft? Now, the big question, can you buy one? Well, the vehicle isn't for sale yet, but there's good news. You can try it out by signing up for a test flight for just $250. Do you think the price is worth the experience? Future adventurers, are you ready to try this amazing aircraft? Do you think it will change the future of personal air transportation? What an exciting future! Have you ever imagined bikers soaring through the sky? Well, it seems this dream might come true soon. Are you ready to discover this revolution in transportation? Let's talk about the Czech company UDX. They're making the impossible possible with their electric hoverbike Airwolf. And here's the big surprise. It has already taken test flights. Are you feeling the excitement? Now, let's explore the capabilities of this amazing bike. Do you know the Hummingbird? Well, Airwolf is just as agile. Imagine, it can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. Do you think your heart can handle this amazing acceleration? But wait, there's more. It can reach top speeds of 230 kilometers per hour. Even seasoned bikers will find it thrilling. Do you dare to try it? Here's another surprise. 2 people can ride it together. Are you thinking of a romantic sky trip? Or maybe an adventure with your best friend? But, as they say, everything comes at a price. The only downside is that the fun is currently limited to just 25 minutes. But don't despair, UDX engineers are working hard to improve the flight time on a single charge. Do you think they'll succeed in extending the duration? Now, the big question. How much will this technological marvel cost? Well, brace yourselves. The price is $384,000. Do you think there are many people willing to pay this amount for this unique experience? Share your bold ideas and exciting predictions. Finally, let's travel back in time to see how the journey of modern personal aviation began. Do you remember 1999? Ah, those were the days. Flying cars were still a distant dream. But do you know what aviation enthusiasts did back then? They turned their attention to light jets. And here begins our exciting story with the ViperJet. Imagine with me, in 1995, the development of this amazing aircraft began. And after 4 years of hard work and big dreams, the ViperJet took to the skies for the first time. Can you imagine the excitement the engineers felt at that moment? But as they say, the road to success isn't always paved with roses. Sales were slow at first. Do you know how many kits were sold by 2006? Only 21? Does this number seem small to you? But let's think for a moment. Do you know how much this amazing plane cost? $182,000. And that's before adding other costs that nearly doubled the price. Do you think this price was justified for a private plane? But wait, let's talk about the performance of this engineering marvel. Are you ready for the excitement? The ViperJet could fly at a speed of 603 kilometers per hour. And not only that, but it could cover a distance of 1,480 kilometers in a single trip. Can you imagine yourself flying long distances at this amazing speed? Here's another surprise. The plane could seat 2 people. Are you thinking of a romantic sky trip? or maybe an adventure with your best friend. But the story doesn't end here. Can you imagine this small plane performing military missions? We've seen today that the future of aviation is already here. These 10 amazing inventions prove that limits no longer exist. What was impossible yesterday is reality today. Next time you look at the sky, remember you're witnessing human creativity. Keep dreaming and innovating. The next invention might be yours. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Share your thoughts and predictions for the future of aviation.